Ever thought about drawing but got bored with it right away? You grab your pencil, chuckle at the thought, and ponder, what's the best way to start drawing? Well, today I'm sharing with you what's called 323 How to Draw Prompts, and I'll cover why it's awesome, what it's for, and its pluses and minuses, so you can figure out if it's the right thing for you. So first off, what exactly is 323 How to Draw Prompts? It's a collection of 323 cool drawing ideas aimed at helping beginners and artists let go of their doubts and start drawing. Instead of focusing on dull theories, it offers you pre-made prompts like characters, objects, scenes, emotions, fun challenges. Just pick a prompt, draw it. The way it works is pretty easy. First, check out the list of prompts. Choose one random one. If you want, set a timer for a while. Draw it without any worries. No talent needed. No fancy tools needed either. Just pick a pencil, pen, or tablet and get drawing. The whole point is to develop consistency and creativity, not being perfect. This is fantastic if you're a beginner who wants to draw often, an artist who needs a break, someone's artistic block, a student looking to learn sketching, or even someone creating content for the sake of it. If you've ever felt stuck with what's the best thing to draw today, worries, this is the perfect fix. Here's what you can expect from this book. 323 creative drawing ideas prepared just for you. Fun and easy prompts. A variety of drawing styles covered. A way to practice daily. No need for technical skills. You'll not need lessons or theories, just having fun with drawing. The main benefits are breaks creative blocks, boosts confidence, grows your imagination, makes drawing fun again, helps you draw every day. Instead of thinking, you'll start drawing, which is how skills improve. Pros: simple and beginner-friendly. No learning curve. Fun to practice. Great for everyday drawing. Fits kids and adults. Saves time and mental energy. Cons: no step-by-step lessons. Advanced artists might need more depth. It's idea-based, not technique-driven. So if you're looking for detailed tutorials, this isn't it. In my view, 323 How to Draw Prompts is worth considering if you want something fun and easy. You want to draw more often. You don't care about details. But if you need a guide on anatomy or shading, this isn't the one for you. When you're done, let me know how it goes. I'll be happy to hear about your experience.